guys, it's me, Natalie. So welcome back to my channel. I am here. I'm going to do a get to know me video, and I have a list of questions that I wrote and I came up with, and I also asked you guys on Instagram and if you guys had any questions, and you guys all sent some questions, so I'm gonna be answering those at the end of the video. So if you guys would like to get to know me, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so the first question is, what is your middle name? My middle name is Alexandra. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is, this is a hard choice because I love gray and I also love lavender, so I would have to say combine those two and it makes such a beautiful color. I like it. Cats or dogs? I would have to say dogs. Most definitely dogs. I don't know, something about dogs, it's just, I love it. And you can walk your dogs, and you know, they're both very friendly, but I prefer dogs. Countries you visited? I've been to Mexico, and I used to go there as a child every year. I stopped when I was in 7th grade, but I love Mexico. My parents were both raised in Mexico. Favorite / worst subject in school? My favorite subject I would have to say is science or social studies. I can't pick one because I was easily, you know, I would pass those classes. My worst subject I would have to say is, guess, it's math. I do not like math. I'm not good at math. I don't like math. I just don't get it. I'm so bad at it. What is your favorite drink? So after VS surgery, the only thing I can have is water, but before surgery I used to drink so much water, so I would have to say water is my best friend. And I also add lemon to it, so it gives it like a great taste to it, so it's not just bland. But I usually just drink water and tea. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal would have to be a koala. They're just so cute, and I've never seen a koala in person. I need to go to the zoo and, you know, touch a little koala. Favorite perfume? My favorite perfume is, when I was growing up, I used to love the Britney Spears. I forgot what it's called. I don't think it's called Circus, but it's in a pink bottle. You guys, I love that perfume. Oh, also I used to love the I think it's the Paris Hilton candy cane, and also the one with it's like pink with black stripes all around. That, I need to get that perfume because I don't have it, and that perfume brings back so much memories. I used to, you know, they used to give me that when it was my birthday or Christmas, and it just has so many great memories. Tea or coffee? So I would have to say tea. Green tea, black tea, Earl Grey tea, of course. I drink decaf because I can't have caffeinated drinks right now, so that's what I'm drinking. What is your favorite book? So my favorite book is Twilight, the Twilight series. I was hooked on every single book. Like, you guys, I was a die-hard Team Edward fan. I used to love Edward Cullen and his family. Jacob is he's very attractive as well, but I used to love Edward. Me and my cousins used to, every time the movies would come out, we would go and we would watch the movies, and we just love it. I also had a Jacob shirt. I remember I went to Hot Topic and I had a Jasper, sorry, not Jacob, it was Jasper shirt, and I would go to school and I used to be all like excited to take it to school. And yeah, so what sports did you play? So in middle school, I did play basketball for a year. I tried out thinking I wasn't going to make it, and I made it into the team, and it was very fun. We would go to tournaments, go to schools, and I'll never forget my coach, Mr. Guy. You were a very awesome and funny coach. He taught us a lot, and he made us run a lot too. Favorite YouTubers. So I have so many YouTubers. Like, you guys have no idea. All I watch is YouTube. If it's not my favorite shows, I'm always on YouTube watching YouTubers, you know, a day in the life, any like vlog. I like to watch the Murillo twins. I like to watch, who else do I like to, Makeup by Peta. I like to watch Nabella. I like to watch, who else do I like to watch? I like to watch a lot of YouTubers, just let's put it out there. I have too many and I can't really think of. Okay, so you guys, I have Harush, Learning to Be Fearless, Samantha Marie. I like to watch Nicolette Gray videos, Sarah Ray Vargas, Yetis Palmer, and Jenny69, and so on. Favorite childhood memory. I have so many childhood memories with my cousins, with my sisters. I grew up very close to my cousins, and that's what I love about our family, that we had a very tight bond. My favorite childhood story, I would have to say, was the beginning of 8th grade, and oh my goodness, it was so funny. We were all playing with, like, you know, the paper balls, and we were all throwing them at each other. And as I was about to, you know, hit one of the guys, I literally fell back on my chair, and all you could see was my feet on top. It was so embarrassing. I was dying. And my friend tells me, oh my gosh, Natalie, all I could see was your feet, were your shoes on top. And yeah, that was very embarrassing. Do you speak any different languages? So the only languages I speak is Spanish and English. My Spanish is not the best. I grew up learning speaking Spanglish. That was in my household. That's what we would speak. And yeah, I don't speak the proper Spanish, which I should, because my fiance's family speaks very proper Spanish, but they get me whenever I talk in Spanish. So yeah. Favorite restaurant. Oh man, I never really thought about it, but I don't really have a favorite restaurant. I like anything. I'm not a picky eater. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 3 sisters. One of them is 10, the other one is 23, and the other one is 35. So I'm in the middle, and we're all girls. Yes, my dad, when we were growing up, he goes crazy because he's the only man in the house. But thankfully now he has my sister, my brother-in-law, and my fiance. Favorite TV shows. So I do have a lot of TV shows, but these are came up to my mind, and they are The Vampire Diaries, 90 Day Fiance, Counting On, and Shaws of Sunset. You guys, I love these shows so much. I watch them so much. The Vampire Diaries, when they first came out, I was hooked. I was watching them every single Thursday. I think that's the day they would come out. If not Thursday, it was Tuesday. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I watched the rest on Netflix because that's where they're all at. And 90 Day Fiance, I've watched every single season. Same with Shaws of Sunset. New season is coming up. Worst habits. I would say that I'm a clean freak, or I try to be a clean freak. My cousins and anyone who knows me knows that I like to keep all my stuff very clean, or I'll be very careful with my stuff. If someone goes in my car, I'll be like, oh my gosh, be careful, don't drop that, or oh, it's a lot. You would have to, you know, be there to know what I'm saying, but they know what I'm saying and they get so annoyed. But I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna, I buy my stuff, so I don't want them to get ruined. And if they do get ruined, I want to be the one, you know, to ruin the stuff. So yeah, they call me, like, they say I have OCD problems, but I don't. It's just I like to take care of my stuff. So, where were you born? I was born in Vista, California, and it's a city in San Diego County. What style of clothes are you into? So growing up, I was more into like rocker slash grungy type of outfits, and now I notice that it's, you know, I'm adding a lot more color. As you can see, I have this nice shirt, and you know, when I lose more weight, I want to, you know, have some like cute, I want to wear some cute skinny jeans, black pair with some, what are they called, the Doc Martens boots. I really want some, by the way. And you know, or when it's summertime, I want to wear cute dresses with boots and just like that. I don't know if it's boho grungy type of style, but that's how I want to dress. And I'm excited because it's so annoying always having to shop at like 3 stores when you're plus size. I'd always shop at Torrid, Forever 21, and Old Navy. Mind you, Torrid is so expensive, and I am so done with, you know, paying $50-$60 for a shirt. And I want to go into a store and, you know, I like something and I want to try it on. I'm so excited for that because it's hard when you're a plus size and you just have to stick to 3 stores, you know. So yeah, what do you do for work? I am a caregiver and I take care of my elderly client, and she can do everything on her own. She just needs help with a couple things, and yeah, that's about it. And I love what I do, obviously, or else I wouldn't be there. I don't plan on doing this for the rest of my life, but as of now, that's the plan. So right now, that's what I'm doing and I like it. How's your wedding planning progressing? So if you guys didn't know, I am engaged, and I've been engaged for a year now, and we do talk about marriage and all of that, but we aren't sure if we're gonna, you know, have a big party or really plan the wedding. But we really want a beautiful wedding, so we're very excited. And we're gonna have to, you know, visit venues. Sorry, I have something in my eye. We're gonna have to go visit venues and explore our options, because I know what he wants and I know what I want. So we're gonna have to, you know, look at what we want and see. I do want a woody type theme, outdoor wedding, so I really want that so bad. I love something about, you know, having a venue where there's, you know, wood type outdoors. It's just so beautiful. I rather want it to be outdoors than an inside venue, but inside venues are also very beautiful, so there's nothing wrong with that. So I get a lot of these messages of what I do in the gym, and I do basically, I'm doing cardio for like 30 to 45 minutes, and after that I'll go to the weight station. You know, there's little stations all around, and I will do that for 30 minutes, sometimes 25. I'll do legs and arms. Hey guys, so that is the end of the video. I had a lot of fun creating this video. It's so chill just sitting down and talking to you guys, and I hope you guys get the feeling that I'm getting a lot more better talking to the camera. And it does take time, but I am getting there. So I hope you guys enjoyed my questions, my get to know me video. Sorry, it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys get to know me on a personal level. I'm shy at first, but once you get to know me, I am fun and I'm weird, so get used to it. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys give this a like and click the notification bells so you guys don't miss any of my videos. I will get back to you guys soon. So yeah, and you guys are awesome and I like your guys' feedback, so please leave comments down below and let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see from me. So yeah, so have a great day, you guys.